This isn't the first time the Jeep Cherokee has been recalled due to a fire risk. The Jeep Cherokee has been hit with another recall, this time affecting certain 2018 models. According to FCA, around 48,990 Cherokees in the United States equipped with a 2.4-liter inline-4 multi-air engine are being recalled due to a potential fire risk, but the refreshed 2019 Jeep Cherokee is not affected. After an internal investigation, FCA says it's discovered that a batch of fuel supply tubes may have connectors that were incorrectly fitted in these models. This isn't the first time the Jeep Cherokee has been recalled because of a potential fire risk. A few years ago, around 55,000 Cherokees were recalled because the control module for the power-operated liftgate could allow for water intrusion and cause the module to short-circuit. Prior to that, the 1999 Jeep Grand Cherokee's poorly designed fuel tank caused the SUV to explode in rear-end collisions. The fault caused the deaths of 75 people, prompting a mass recall of 1.56 million vehicles. Obviously, FCA wants to prevent any more catastrophes like that from ever happening again at all costs. Potentially, the faulty parts could leak fuel, which obviously increases the risk of a fire erupting. Fortunately, FCA isn't aware of any accidents or injuries that have happened as a direct result of this fault. The automaker says it will begin notifying affected owners of the 2018 Jeep Cherokee next week to schedule a visit to a local dealership to rectify the fault. Technicians will inspect and replace the fuel supply line if required free of charge. Concerned owners can contact the FCA US Recall Information Center at 800-853-1403 to find out more about the recall. FCA is also recalling 1,666 units of the 2018 Jeep Cherokee in Canada, along with 674 in markets outside North America. Thanks for watching.